Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Crypto Basics. In this tutorial, we will be learning how to disconnect Coinbase wallet from website. To disconnect Coinbase wallet from website, the first thing to do is to launch open your Coinbase wallet application on your mobile device. Once you're inside the main homepage of Coinbase wallet, go ahead and look for the dApps option or browser option at the bottom. You will then be able to see a list of dApps connection or connections currently authorized to access your wallet. Find the specific website you want to disconnect, and once you get to the main web page, go ahead and click on the logo at the top right, and in the pop-up click on disconnect button, and you will be able to disconnect from a specific website. Following these steps will ensure the website no longer has permission to interact with your Coinbase wallet. So that is how it's easily done. If you found the video to be helpful, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel by hitting the subscribe button. Press the bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I will be back again in the next video. Thank you for watching.